If your Kia Sportage won't start and the key fob seems dead, don't call a tow truck just yet. 85% of key fob-related starting issues are caused by a simple dead coin cell battery inside the remote. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to get you back on the road immediately. The fastest trick is to physically push the engine start button using the key fob itself to trigger the backup sensor. Watch for a key not detected message on your dash, which confirms the car can't see the fob's signal. Sometimes electronic interference from your smartphone can block the signal if they are in the same pocket. Distinguish between a dead remote and a dead car battery by checking if your interior lights and dash power up. A $5 battery usually fixes it, while a full dealership replacement can cost hundreds. To swap the battery, use the mechanical key to pry open the case and insert a fresh CR2032 cell. You only need a small screwdriver and a new battery to finish this repair in under 2 minutes. Keep a spare battery in your glove box so you are never stranded by a dead remote again. If this emergency start worked for you, hit the like button and subscribe for more Sportage tips.